Hello everyone, myself Naveen Kumar. My topic is airbags in motorcycle. The airbags in motorcycle, while less common than in cars, the safety feature designed to enhance the rider protection in event of a crash or accident. This event of accident, airbags designed specifically for the motorcycle, shift spooning rider upper body in the cushion of air. The added layer protection hold the potential dramatically reduce the severity of injuries in high impact collision. Next is the advantage of airbags in motorcycle. Reduced the injury severity. The primary advantage of the motorcycle airbags is their ability of significantly reduce the severity of injuries in the event of crash. When the deployed, the airbags cushion the rider upper bodies, especially the chest and torso. Next is the enhanced chest torsion protection. Motorcycle airbags specifically target the most vulnerable areas of rider body, and their focus protection can prevent the or mitigate injuries like broken ribs and sternum. Head and neck support. Some motorcycle airbag system include the additional neck and head protection, reducing the risk of the head injuries during the crash. Complementary safety gear. Airbags complement other safety gear worn by riders such as the helmet, loose protective clothing. Reduce the risk of the ejection. In many accident, riders are the thrown from their motorcycle. Next is the disadvantage of the airbags in motorcycle. Cost. Motorcycle airbag system can be expensive to purchase and maintain. The cost may deter some rider the investing in the safety feature, especially for the enter level or budget. Maintenance regularly inspection crucially to ensure that the airbag system function correctly. Limited coverage. Motorcycle airbags primarily protect the rider upper body, particular the chest and torso. Not foolproof. Motorcycle airbags are not a guarantee against the injuries. They may not deploy in all times of accident or may deploy too late to prevent the injury in some situation. Complexity. Airbags system and complexity the motorcycles design the including additional components and sensors. Thank you.